The most profitable print-on-demand products are not going to always be apparel items like t-shirts and sweatshirts. A lot of times it can be those smaller items specifically that people give for gifts that can make a ton of profit, especially towards the end of the year. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make really sellable ornaments for the holiday season completely using AI design softwares. So even if you're not a great artist, if you're not great at illustrating images, you're going to be able to use these tools. And since this time of year people are shopping way more than ever, it's a great time to really fill up your shops because you have a huge potential to make a ton of extra profit in the last 2 to 3 months of the year. So let's not waste any more time, and I'm just going to fully show you how to do everything from picking out your item, finding a really good niche, making that design, and then uploading it so you can sell that print-on-demand ornament on Etsy. So let's just jump into it. Now, the very first thing you need to do is pick out what type of ornament you are going to sell. There are so many different print-on-demand ornaments out there, and not all of them are created the same or have enough potential to make a good profit margin. So I'm going to show you a couple that I really like and then the one we are going to use today. So I am over on Printify, which if you've never used Printify before, they are totally free and they kind of act as the middleman between you who makes the product design and listing and then the customer who actually gets the product. So they're doing everything in between, from storing the items, printing them, packing them, shipping them. They're really doing all of that legwork so that you can just focus on making more designs and getting more products uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and just search here for an ornament. And like I said, there are so many different options. They have all kinds of wooden ornaments. They have metal ones, very popular ceramic and acrylic ornaments here. I actually have a full video that shows you how to make a really fun personalized ceramic ornament. But in today's video, I wanted to try a different kind of ornament with you guys, and that is one of these acrylic ornaments. I think it's going to look really, really cool with the type of design we're going to be making. So now that I've picked this out, I'm just going to go ahead and click Start Designing here. And once we have our niche figured out and made our artwork, this is where we're going to go ahead and upload it. So before we can actually start designing our item using AI, we have to think of a really good niche. So one of the biggest mistakes I see a lot of new sellers making is they're like, great, I'm going to make ornaments, I'm going to fill my shop with them, and I'm going to make so much profit this holiday. But what they're doing is they're making ornaments that say like Merry Christmas, or just have a generic picture of Santa on them, or have like a wreath. And those are super cute and you probably will see them all over Etsy, but they're just a little bit too hard to compete in. So print on demand is still so profitable. There's so much potential to make profit, but you have to really niche down and pick something more specific. That is really how I've been able to grow my print on demand business as big as it has gotten, is because I do not go for anything generic. I'm looking for very specific things, stuff people are passionate about, and then I'm going to combine it with something like a holiday to give me more of an edge to really stand out. So that can be a little bit tricky to figure out how to do that whole method of finding a good niche like that. So I actually have a free resource for you guys. This is my cross-nation guidebook. Many of you have seen it and used it. If you've already downloaded it, you can totally use it for this tutorial, or if you never have, you can sign up down below and I will send it to you totally for free. But basically, all this is going to help you do is find two really, really good, profitable and popular niches and figure out a way to combine them. So for example, right now we are making a Christmas item, so focusing on the big niche of Christmas. But like I said, that's way too saturated to focus on by itself. So we want to cross it with another category that also has a lot of interest, but putting them together, it's going to give us way more potential to actually stand out and make sales. So one of the first categories that could be a great one to combine with Christmas is careers. So you could make like a Christmas dentist ornament that would be very sellable, something dentists would be looking for, or someone to give their dentist for Christmas, or someone like a web developer. You could make kind of a Christmas themed kind of web developer. Maybe you could put like a computer with some holiday elements in that, a patrol officer, a school counselor. So any of those would make a great niche combined with Christmas. Same thing with pet types. This might be one that we actually do today. So for example, like a French bulldog with kind of a Christmas twist, that could be really fun and sellable to people who have a French bulldog. Same thing with like a boxer or a Great Dane. People are super passionate about their pets. So I have found in my experience that pet themed items sell really, really well, and adding some other category to that just gives you even more potential to stand out. But I think the one that I wanted to start with today is actually the hobby category. This is another fun one, and people love to give gifts around Christmas time about people's hobbies specifically. So I've had a lot of luck making either Christmas themed hobby items or just general hobby items, and those have a big uptick in sales around October, November, and December. So like we have reading, writing, we have gardening, cooking, knitting, sewing, hiking, camping, board games, chess, Pilates, yoga. So all of those could be really fun for a kind of Christmas themed item. And I think it could be fun to see if we could make something like Santa playing chess that would kind of blend those two together. So let's pop over to our design suite and we're going to start working on a design for this ornament. Now today I'm going to be using the design suite Kittle. I pretty much use them for all of the designing I do for my print on demand business, and there's a couple things that I really like. One, they have some super amazing templates that you can kind of just plug in your niche or whatever you want to say on your t-shirt, and you have something ready to go in just a couple minutes. So here, like there's one that says Oh Holy Nights, but we could change that to be a totally different niche or some other Christmas t-shirt, and it wouldn't have taken us a lot of time. But they also have really good AI features completely built into here, so I use them all the time for making patterns, making AI images. If I just want to add something to a design, I use that a lot. And because we're doing something so specific, if we were just making a generic Christmas ornament, we probably could find a graphic on like Creative Fabrica or some other place that would work for that. But because we're doing something as specific as like Santa and chess, we're probably not going to be able to find a ready-made graphic for this. So it's really nice to be able to make our own. So let's go ahead and get started here. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a custom square template. And if you have very specific sizes that you need your item to be, you can adjust that right here. And the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side. And then this right here says Kittle AI. And I'm going to click on that. And we're just going to start describing the image that we want to see. So I'm thinking something really simple, just like Santa playing chess or like cute Santa playing chess. That might be what I actually go with. So once you've typed in your prompt, you're going to pick which style you like to use. So there's tons of different ones. There's all sorts of these right here, like the t-shirt graphic is a really good one. There's all sorts of vectors you can do, graffiti style character, mascot. A lot of times I like the cartoon style, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click generate image. All right, and after just a couple seconds, it generated us this really cute Santa on a chessboard. I think this is gonna be a really fun ornament, and we're not gonna have to add a lot to it to make it sellable. So the first thing I'm going to do is just click remove the background. You can't see it, but it does have a fully white background, and since we're doing that clear acrylic ornament, we're going to want to make it totally translucent. That's going to look the best. And then I'm just going to make this take up as much of the canvas as possible, kind of center that. All right, and that is looking really good. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and download right here, click export. We're going to make sure to remove the background, and then we are going to click download. Now we've gone back to our Printify, and we're just going to go ahead and click upload right here, and then click on my device, and then we added that image here. And then I'm just going to make it take up a lot of this image. That's looking really cute, but we can also go ahead and preview what this would look like on the actual product. And that looks super cute, and I know a lot of chess lovers or people who want to buy something for a chess lover would like this type of ornament. So if we're happy with it, we're going to go ahead and just click save product. And now I'm going to show you how to make a listing with really good SEO that both taps into the Christmas niche and really emphasizes those chess keywords. So the first thing we're going to do is we can click which photos we want to include in the listing. So I'm going to just add all of these so people get a really good idea of what this looks like. So I will save that selection. And then I want this to be the primary image here, this one with the actual Christmas tree in the background. So I'm just going to star that as the primary image. And then we'll keep these so people can see that there's not an image on the back. There is another item that has the ability to put the image on the back, but I just want to do this one. It's a little bit bit lower cost, meaning that there's more profit potential. And now it's time to work on the title. So Printify actually has some really cool AI listing features that help you with the description and the title, and it's a really good place to start. So I'm going to show you how to use that, but a lot of times I end up tweaking especially the title quite a bit, but we will try that first. So what is important to do is you want to include all of the keywords that are really important to your listing, as well as what this listing is. So I'm going to say, so I just said cute funny Santa playing chess, ornament for chess lover or chess player, best Christmas gift for chess, funny Christmas chess gift. So I kind of said what the ornament has on it, and then a little bit of the keywords that I want to include. So those are things like best Christmas gift for chess player or Christmas chess gift. Those are the things that when people search them, I want my listing to show up. So we're just going to click generate, and then we'll apply that to our listing and take a look at what we can improve. All right, so it came up with chess Santa acrylic ornament, funny Christmas chess gift, chess player decor, holiday chess lover ornament, cute chess Santa decoration. So I don't really want to target like decor, so I think I'm going to say chess player present, and then I'm going to say like Santa chess gift, Santa chess acrylic ornament, funny Christmas chess gift, chess player present, holiday chess lover ornament, cute chess Santa gift. Okay, that's a little bit better for me. I think those are more likely search terms that people are actually going to look up. And then we can go down to the description here, and it has generated this. So it says cute, funny Santa playing chess, ornament for chess lover or chess players, best Christmas gift for chess enthusiasts, and a little bit more, as well as all of the product features. So I'm going to leave that as is. And it also added some good tags for us that we could either edit or just leave those. And then we're not going to add personalization to this, and it's going to automatically make a shipping profile for this. But the thing we are going to edit here is the pricing, and typically I just like to have things end kind of in a more even number. So instead of like $24.08, I would likely do $24.99 and apply that. And if I can, even though the profit margin is going to be a little bit less, I actually might make this more like $19.99, so it's under that $20 mark, which is what a lot of people are aiming for gifts, especially small things. But especially if I wanted to either discount the shipping or add any kind of free shipping, we're going to need to make sure to calculate that in. So you might have to make your item even a higher price, like $25.99, $26.99. All right, and now all of this is just getting ready to publish it to our Etsy store. So we're just going to go ahead and click publish, and it's currently publishing right now. And once this turns green, it will be live on our Etsy store. All right, so the status has changed to published. So let's go over to our Etsy shop and we can take a look at the listing. And then we're going to make one more in a really, really popular category mixed with Christmas the exact same way. All right, here you can see our listing as well as a couple of the other products that we've made recently. I will link both of those right here if you want to watch those tutorials after this. But let's go ahead and just click on view on Etsy so we can see our listing. And that looks super cute. You can see all the other images as well, and then the description and title that we put in. So let's go ahead and go back over to our design suite, and we're going to make one more design with AI for another really popular category. So I'm back on Kittle, and I'm just going to go ahead and click new project. And then the exact same way, we're going to go over to the Kittle AI, and I'm going to describe my image. So one of the other categories I talked about being very, very profitable is pet types. So I think a really cute idea could be like Santa walking dogs. So you could do all sorts of dog types. So like a Santa walking a Yorkie, or Santa walking a Beagle, or a Golden Doodle. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. And then you could take this same concept and do it for all sorts of different pets. So let's just do cute Santa walking Golden Doodle. And then we're going to do it in this cartoon style and generate the image. All right, so after just a couple seconds, it made this really cute Santa. So we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to remove that background and then just make it take up most of this canvas here. And then we're just going to go ahead and export it the same way with the background removed and download that. And then we're back on Printify, and we are going to just do another acrylic ornament the exact same way. So we're going to click start designing and then upload from our device. And then we're just going to make this take up a lot of the ornament here. So that looks really cute. And we can go ahead and preview it, make sure it looks good. And that is super duper cute. I know a lot of Golden Doodles would love that. So again, we're just going to save the product. And then like we did for the other one, we are just going to make those listing changes. And as soon as we're happy with it, we are going to push publish the exact same way. So this exact same process, just finding a really good niche using my cross niching method method. Again, you can get that free guidebook down below, and I'll also send you a free workshop that just takes you through exactly how to use it on a bunch of different examples. And then just using AI to create a really good design and uploading that to a great Printify product, you can kind of rinse and repeat this same method to get a ton of different ornaments on your Etsy store before the holiday sales rush really starts. And you can take this exact same concept and do the same thing for like a mug or a notebook or even a t-shirt. Graphic only designs sell really, really well, especially around the holidays, if you pick a good niche that people are really wanting to buy. And if you want some even more fun ideas of ornament designs that you can make sure you watch this video next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.